Hello everyone. So the question given is let f belongs R to R be a function. We can say that f has property 1 if limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 upon under root of mod of h exists and is finite, and property 2 if limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 upon h square exists. Solution. A part f of x equals to x into mod of x, limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 upon h square, which is equals to limit h tends to 0 h into mod of h minus 0 upon h square, which does not exist. B part limit h tends to 0 h की power 2 by 3 minus 0 divided by under root of mod of h, which is equals to 0. C part limit h tends to 0 sin of h minus 0 upon h square does not exist. D part limit h tends to 0 mod of h minus 0 upon under root of mod h, which is equals to 0.